In this video, I'm going to install the front valance on the 68 Dodge Charger. This will give you an opportunity to see where all the fasteners go for that installation. But before we go there, on the bumper installation video for this car, there was something that I forgot. So I'm going to walk you through that right now. I'm actually going to walk you through it on this 69 Dodge Charger because there's no grill in it and it's easy to see. Okay, it's these corners. So there's actually a L bracket that goes to the bumper, and there's a bolt that goes in from the bottom. The clip is actually on the fender side. If we come over here to this side, you can see it here. And it's best to get to this while the valance is out. But I think you could get to it, see right here, from underneath, in between the bumper. It's just you're not going to have any visibility because with the grill in here, you're not going to be able to see it very well. So a lot of these clips that the bolt is threaded into broke because they're so rusty. So I ended up buying this kit here. There's the part number if you're so inclined. I'm gonna put these guys on like so. I need to tighten up these guys. So I screwed this up. This does not belong on here. So don't make the same mistake I did. The bolt is actually going to go through here like this, and it's going to screw into this on the valance. So most of these clips are on the fender or the core support. These are the only ones, I think, that go on the valance. So you'll have access, because I had it on here. I'm trying to get the bolt this way and there's just no room in here. It's a pain. So make sure you put the clips here. Bolt goes through this way. I verified it on another valance I had that had the clips. This one, the clips were broken, so I forgot where they went. It wasn't until I got out in the car I thought, man, that doesn't seem right. That seems too difficult. So when I went and looked at the other one, this clip was on the valance. So, lucky for you, I made the mistake. So you get to learn from my mistake. If you're wondering how to get these off, if you can get to the front side of these, you could, this is the part that locks into the hole. So can lift and slide it off. Okay. So you see that part right there, that cut piece that goes down farther? That's what locks into the hole. Okay. Let's try this. By the way, everything to do with the valance catches a lot of water when you're driving on the road. So I'm gonna put grease on every freaking bolt that goes in here so that hopefully it doesn't get so dang rusty it breaks when it comes off, you know, or it breaks when you try to get it off. Always the last one. This guy's getting pretty tight and I don't want to screw up the bolt threads. It's a 1/4 so we're going to run a tap through it. Try to clean it up. Last thing I want is to have that thing jam in there, get stuck, and you can't seat it all the way, or you can't get it out. You might have to cut it off or break the head of the bolt off. I don't want to deal with all that drama, so let's pay a little now, pay a lot later. So we're gonna pay a little now, run a tap through there, clean up the rusty threads, and now it's like brand new. Smooth like butter. This one's pretty mangled. I'm gonna try to put it on anyway. See if I can get it on, and if I can't, I'm gonna have to grab another bumperette. I'm not gonna tighten this one down because I think it's gonna, I mean, I snugged it, but basically because the stud is crooked, just one side of the nut and washer is contacting the bumper, and there's a gap on the other side. If I force it, it'll probably just snap off. So it seems tight. I don't have to worry about it rattling. So I'm just gonna leave it alone just like that.